Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients and tools. Fresh eggs, a medium pot, a slotted spoon, and white vinegar. Fresh eggs are key for a compact shape. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. Then, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly and neatly around the yolk. Next, bring your water to a gentle simmer. You want to see small, consistent bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot, but avoid a vigorous boil, which can break the eggs. While the water heats, crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This step is crucial because it allows you to gently slide the egg into the water, maintaining its shape. Now, carefully slide each egg from its bowl into the simmering water. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by about 30 seconds. Use a slotted spoon to gently lift each egg from the water, allowing any excess liquid to drain away. Your delicious poached eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado or atop a fresh salad. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper enhances their flavor beautifully. If you are making several eggs, it is best to poach them in batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.